We all know Swedish dishcloths are great for washing dishes, but here's 5 other ways you can use your Swedish dishcloths. My first tip is to use them to catch any water drainage under your houseplants. Second, Swedish dishcloths are great for washing veggies, but did you know they're also great for drying them as well? Swedish dishcloths are also perfect for washing mirrors and glass, and I even use them to wash up my car. Number 5, these cloths can hold 15 times their weight, so they're great for cleaning up messes. How do you use your Swedish dishcloth? Three ways to wash a Swedish dishcloth. 1. Boil your Swedish dishcloth for 5 minutes before straining, rinsing, and hanging up to dry. 2. Wash on the top rack of your dishwasher before hanging it to dry. And 3. Wash in your washing machine on a normal cycle before, you guessed it, hanging it up to dry.
What are Swedish dishcloths made of? Swedish dishcloths are made of cotton fabric scraps that would otherwise end up in landfills and wood cellulose.
This is a Swedish dishcloth. They're made from wood cellulose and cotton and are able to absorb up to 15 times their own weight. You can use them for any cleaning duty, including spills, counter wipes, or washing dishes. And when they get a little dirty, you can pop them right in your dishwasher to clean them.
Swedish dishcloth versus paper towel. Starting with paper towel, let's see how it does. Because there's so much residue left behind, I had to go in with another piece of paper towel to clean it up. Time to test the Swedish dishcloth. So satisfying, one swipe and I swear it's all gone. No residue left behind. Why are Swedish dishcloths stiff when dry? Due to their natural ingredients, Swedish dishcloths will be stiff when dry, but pliable when wet. How long do Swedish dishcloths last? With proper care, they last 7 to 12 months.